Did you know that the Bellwood Public Library has access to the Consumer Reports online database? That's right. We'll access Consumer Reports from the home page of our website, bellwoodlibrary.org. Under the section for Consumer and Auto, you'll see the link to Consumer Reports. Consumer Reports is known for unbiased product testing, journalism, consumer advocacy, research, and of course providing that information to the public so that we can make the best decisions when it comes to our purchases. We do have access available for those of you at home to use with your library card and PIN. We also have access in the library for anyone without a card, so you can make an appointment to use the computer and get on Consumer Reports. This is their homepage that you will see. Consumer Reports is useful because there are so many options out there now, and new companies are starting up too all the time. Trying to find the right option for you can be difficult, especially when it's an item with a large price tag attached. Consumer Reports is there for you in these exact situations. Up at the top under their product reviews, this drop-down will automatically appear once you hover over that product reviews section, and all of their categories will be displayed with all of the products that you can choose from. They will only show some of the most popular products that are searched for in each category, but they do have all listings available at the bottom of each category and as well as down here where it says all products A to Z, which will give you the full A to Z list of products. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and choose one of the sections. A good place to start when you are searching is the buyer guide. It will be something that is relatively recent. As you can see, this was just updated a couple months ago. And it will give you some insights and outline helpful features to look for and answer questions you may have about the product. It's especially helpful if it's been a while since you've bought a new product in this category, or if you've never purchased one of these before, whatever the product may be. It'll give you a lot of insight to look for. And then of course you can go to the ratings and reliability section. Here I'm looking at vacuums, and there are different kinds of vacuums, so it is giving me the option right away to choose what kind of vacuum I'm looking for, and then it'll bring up all of those upright vacuums, which is the category that I chose. If at every time I want to choose that type and do something else, I can choose it from here. There are also options here whether I want it to be bagged or bagless, if I'm looking for a certain price point, or if I prefer a certain brand over another. Here are some features that are specific for vacuums. Something that I might be interested in is how well it does with pet hair, or what kind of noise it makes, how it does on bare floors, things like that. I can choose to sort by that and get the highest rated options. These are some other options that are specific to vacuums. You can choose any of those if you're looking and interested in that. You can turn on things that are specifically recommended by CR. It's Consumer Reports, turn that on and off. And then of course this is the listing. Here's the name of the item, the price of it, the overall score, and then those options from up here, those features, those special features that relate to vacuums. Here they are rated out of 5. You can go ahead and just see all the different ratings that they have for the different items. If you are looking and would like to compare items together, say for example, these are really doing really well on both carpet and bagged and bare floors, so I'd like to compare these two items together, and all you have to do is check them off as I did there, and it'll add them up, so I can go ahead and compare those two items. And it'll give you the 2 columns, or however many columns for items you choose. You can choose up to 5. It'll go ahead and give you that breakdown of how they compare to each other. And of course you can click on, at any time you can click on the title of the item and get the full information of that product. Consumer Reports is a really great resource to use if you're searching for a product, whether you've bought it before or not.